Hi, welcome back to Young Soft Take. My name is Eunice Ngong and today we'll talk about powerful variables. We'll see here a little about super powerful subtopics that will help us to understand what is variables and how to use them. We'll see here what is a variable as definition, powerful variables, names, assign multiple values, output and global variables, and if the time permits, we'll see here some variables exercise that will help us to understand and recognize what we learn. Without taking too much time, let's keep working. The first question come to us is what is variable? Variables are containers for storing data values, which contains some known or unknown quantity of information referred to as a value. Or, in simple terms, a variable is a container for a particular set of bits of type of data like integer, float, string, etc. A variable can eventually be associated with or identified by a memory address. Firstly, you must know that Python has no command for declaring variable like in other language. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value to it. That way, we created a variable x. Wasn't necessary to define what kind of values that variable receives because it assigns automatically at the moment that you assign a value to the variable. If you want to specify the data type of a variable, this can be done with casting. So it will be B5 as a string. Let's try to cast string to int. Receive an error. String character like letters in int, integer in this case. A variable name must start with letter or the underscore character. A variable name cannot start with number like this. As you can see, we have an error here. It means you must avoid creating variable like this. By the way, the program will not work.